searched how to buy shares of Cigna Group. Cigna is a global health services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CI. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds to your account before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CI to find the Cigna Group listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry for the correct stock. On the stock page, check basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is Cigna Group. Verify the exchange and ticker to ensure you have the right asset. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Choose the amount you want to invest. Review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens. If funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. After execution, your Cigna position will appear in your portfolio. For the example link and more information, see the description below.